Looking back on last week, I think infinite floating might be a bit overpowered. Okay, so in my planning for the game, I have a way to limit the player's capabilities with a power mechanic. Using different abilities uses a certain amount of power, and they can go to a station to recharge their power. So, I added some variables for power, including a way to precisely adjust their power but show the player a different value as a whole number. Once this was in, I added a health gauge that I won't mess with yet, and a way to refresh their power by going to a station. The power also very slowly drains idly, and each ability was assigned a power drain value. I decided a cool ability would be one that would help you conserve and even gain power, and I added this in. I even added an overdrive effect that makes the player's base speed faster if they have more than max power through power generation. I then made the player flip. This was a new level of pain. Previously, I'd written all of my jump values in by changing the gravity on the player, so when it comes to completely flipping everything, it wasn't fun. Damn it. We'll see. Once I was done, I made all of the jump stuff multiplied by a constant in case I ever want to make all of the gravity more. I will indeed want that. I then got my first playtester to try the game with no instructions. Here's how that went. Okay, now we're getting Lara to review it.
I like how elongated I am. I can fly. I'm Spider-Man. It was awesome. How much does it cost on the Steam? Go live?
No. So yeah. It doesn't look like I added much because honestly I didn't, but that stupid flipping feature took so long I decided to kindly refrain from more coding this week. And finally, a little update. I'm going away next week, so I've decided to pre-record a couple weeks worth of coding. This means I've been working hard and putting a lot of effort into coding, but even so, the next few weeks are going to be a shorter video with just a few updates each week. Hope you enjoy.